Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Page of Wands. King of Cups. Okay. Capricorn, this is your current energy, Page of Wands. It seems like you have done your homework, or perhaps you are working on your things right now. Okay, you are preparing for certain things. Okay, you are doing your homework right now to take some solid action towards something. And this something could be your relationship, could be your love life, could be your career, could be your finances. All right. If I talk about from a relationship perspective, it seems like you are planning to give something solid to your person, or it could also happen that you are going to propose them, or you are going to commit to them. Anything could be happen. So it seems like you are working towards something, and you are just sharpening your weapons, and you are just getting ready to do some action. All right. Okay, on the other hand, we have King of Cups. This is your partner's current energy, Capricorn. Your person is feeling alone and aloof. Okay, even though they have a lot of emotions within them, they have a lot of love to share with the world, and specifically you, Capricorn. But it seems like that they are feeling sad, because if you see, there is nobody around them. They are completely all alone. Okay, their cup, I don't know whether this cup is empty or full, but it seems like their cup is empty. Even though they are surrounded with a lot of emotions, this emotion could be, or this affection and love could be, which they must be getting from their friends, which they must be getting from their family, but they don't have that specific emotion or that specific affection and attention which they want from you. That thing makes them really, really sick. That thing makes them really, really sad. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What's the mutual energy between you and them? Exhaustion. Okay, it seems like your person is exhausted. Okay, they have thought about you, and they must be thinking about you over and over and over again, and that thing has made them really, really exhausted. Okay, so this is the reason they are not talking to anyone. This is the reason they have cut their connection with everybody, even though they must be living in their own home, and they must be surrounded by so many people. But when it comes to emotional thing, they are completely exhausted, and it seems like they are waiting for you since ages. All right. And plus, it also seems like that they have loosened hope. They have lost their hope, they have lost their peace and everything. Now, Capricorn, I am going to pick 3 cards for you to check what your person thinks about you, what action they are taking towards you right now, and what action they are going to take towards you in future. Completion, guilt, rebel. Okay, so we have completion. See, your person loves you very much, that's for sure. Okay, there is no doubt about it, because this completion card says that they see you as somebody who can complete their life. Okay, you are the last part of that jigsaw puzzle of their life, which can complete their life, which can give them happiness, which can give them peace and love. So they see you as somebody who has that ability and potential, who can complete their life. Okay, they are incomplete without you, basically, Capricorn. Okay, right now your person is not taking any action because they are being very, very guilty. They are feeling very guilty about certain issues, or about certain past life or past events. Okay, they must have said something to you, and that's why you just move out from this relationship or something like that now. But it seems like now you are also feel missing them. That's why you are preparing to reconnect with them or reconcile with them. Okay, but the thing is that your person is not taking any actions right now. They are feeling guilty, they are feeling sorry, they are really really sorry about whatever they had done with you in past. Okay, and the future is giving some good indications with this rebel card. It seems like they are definitely going to free themselves from their guilt, from their uh, sorry feeling, and from their sad behavior. Okay, because they are king of cups. Okay, they are, they have immense emotions for you. Okay, and they cannot resist that. So sooner or later they are definitely going to break the chains. They are definitely going to be out from this guilt factor, and it seems like they are going to take some action towards you. But I feel that it's you who should start taking action towards them, because they are completely in guilt factor right now. Okay, okay, so Capricorn, it seems like some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with um, fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. All right, so Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.